Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Cassie aka NubianRockChick. For those of you who don't know me, I am a married mother of two and an illustrator in the UK, and this is my studio that I have here at home. It's been a minute guys, I haven't spoken to you in a good while. We are all still going through this lockdown situation, and it's been tough trying to record with the kids home and try to make sure that I've got extra content for you, because not a lot of exciting things are happening while we've been stuck at home. To tell you the truth, it was a little bit difficult trying to film whilst I was packing last month's subscriptions. It was, for some reason it took me so long. I think because I'm teaching the kids as well and doing homeschool, everything just took longer than it normally did. I had a little bit of a sale at the same time, so because I'm doing everything on my own, everything is just taking so long. Then I didn't think it would be fun to watch, for you to watch me just packing orders constantly. And also I had a few technical issues with my computers. Yes, so I had a few technical issues.
Sorry, again.
I had a few technical issues for the last couple of weeks with my computers, and quite frankly I was a little bit grumpy, so I wouldn't have been very great company for you guys. But we've had some changes in the office. My office needs a slight tidy up. So we've moved Betsy over to this side. She is the computer that I use all the time, my workhorse, but we've moved her over to this side because I have now got a new we've moved her over this side because I have now got a new computer set up on this side. It's not as pretty as an iMac is, but it is a little bit more powerful, and it will be great for helping me edit YouTube videos faster. And my MacBook Pro, even though it's still a work beast, it was really struggling. It has been really struggling recently, and that is the side that I cut stickers on. Even though the MacBook Pro is still a work beast and it's still running strong, it was having a few issues the last couple of weeks, and I can't really afford for it to have any issues, and I still need two computers to run at the same time. So I thought it was time that I made an upgrade, and I made the decision to upgrade the main computer that I use and move that one over there to be my second computer. What this actually is an iMac Mini. So basically it's just like a computer base, like a traditional computer base, in this small compact design. And I purchased an LG monitor. It's not as beautiful setup as an iMac, but do you know what? It's all about what it can do. It doesn't have the best graphics card, but hey ho, it has a lot more RAM. It's got a better processor in there, so in that respect it's not too dissimilar to that machine, and it's actually even a bit more powerful, even though the graphics card is not as good. Anyway, so today is a bank holiday in the UK. It's the 25th of May, but I'm working on my 6 illustrations for the next month. I've painted something the other day. I hope this is recording properly, because right now this video looks really weird and it's just doing something really weird with the colours, so I'm hoping this records properly. And I sketched this yesterday, and I'm pretty sure I'm a bit late on time, but I want to kind of paint this now. Hopefully I don't rush. I want to paint that now because I want to have that as the Monday image, because it's actually Monday today. And the other day I shared some images of mermaids, and I quickly did one as a digital drawing. I'll insert it here. And I wanted to draw it again because it deserved proper treatment, so I just need to paint this as well. But it's quite late for the time that I'd like to post, so I need to get on with painting this image. I'll see you in a bit guys. It's been a minute, guys. Sorry I haven't been around. So many things have been going on, as you know. COVID and schooling has got me in a bind. Having the children home from school really is time consuming, and it takes up a lot of my day, and and trying to film during that, it's just near impossible, because you know, I can bet you in about 5 minutes the children are going to come downstairs asking you for something in a minute anyway. But also I didn't feel that it was an appropriate time to record. Also, I wasn't feeling mentally up to it with all the things going on in the world at the moment, especially with the Black Lives Matter movement and the passing of George Floyd, Ahmaud Arbery and Breonna Taylor. Filming in my office didn't film important content that people needed to see right now, so I was taking a break anyway. I was finding it difficult to record anyway, and just as I was going to start recording again, I had loads of things that I was trying to record for you guys. It just didn't feel right, and I didn't want to post anything or to take away any attention from the good work that people were doing. So I didn't think making videos was important at the time. So guys, you know, just because things have returned to normal for some, the cause is still important. Whether it be signing important petitions, or going out protesting yourself, or doing what you can from home, or that might be educating yourself on things, please don't take this kind of sign of normalcy back from everyone as a stop or halt the important work that still needs to be done. I don't know if this is going to record properly. It's like, I don't know if I need a new camera. Anyway, it's been a crazy 2020. It's now July, guys. It's the 1st of July. I'm trying to get things done as and when, and I have been working on the July image for the past couple of days. I'm a little bit behind, but I've just spent some time filming the little teaser of what I've done this month. So this is the July image, and that's the little freebie that they get when they download. And these are the stickers of the month. So we've got what's this planned for? Unity, which is one of my favourite illustrations that I finally turned into a sticker. Got Aubrey, she's rocking a little afro print top. Whitney, another one of my favourite black and white illustrations that I finally turned into a sticker. Focus. Okay. We've got I Am Healed, which I worked on, which is actually a really old illustration that I think I created with markers initially in 2017. Sorry, I keep looking at the top viewfinder because I haven't vlogged in ages. I created this in 2017, and I wanted to do it again, and I created it in watercolor, and it's been really popular. I did have this on my website a little bit earlier, but it was always going to be planned for this July, and the feature image as a sticker. So right now I'm going to be editing a video to put on my Instagram and social media, so I'm going to get on with that, and I will try and catch up with you. Please excuse, whenever this video does get out, please excuse my vlogging style. I haven't picked up the camera for a long time, so I'm not as great at making sure that you come along with me through the days, so I must remember to pick up the camera as and when to show you what's going on. So we've got a bit of a new setup. I've got a kind of like an air conditioning unit. It's not a proper air conditioning unit, but it's gonna have to do because in here gets so ridiculously hot. We've had since April like really good weather, saying that it has been raining today, but it's extremely hot in here because this room is just glass windows and a plastic roof. So I bought the air conditioning unit. I've been buying lots of paper, ink, so I'm stocking up because actually June was a really good month. A lot of people came out to support small businesses and black owned businesses in June, so we had a really positive month, so much so that I had to make sure that I'm stocked up on my supplies, otherwise very potentially I could run out whilst doing orders. What's happened? What else has happened? Oh, these Alex drawers, just take you back off. These Alex drawers are kaput now. They are, I do not recommend those drawers, those office drawers, for any office that needs to actually hold anything that's heavier than one piece of paper. The drawers are so ridiculous, and we put glue on it, not glue, silicone, tried to make sure that the bottoms don't fall out, but basically they're just not sufficient. You need that little bar underneath the drawer to make sure that it's all steady, and with the paper that I put in there and the type of weight that I put in there, it just can't handle it. So I'm gonna have to search for another kind of thing to put all my papers in. That is it for the minute, guys. When I remember, I'll catch up with you, but I need to try and edit this video real quick, so I'll catch up with you soon, guys. Bye. Okay, that's it, guys. I'm going to end the vlog here. If you made it to the end, thanks for watching, and I'll check you on the next one. Bye.